Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best face moisturizer is probably one of the most essential steps in any skincare routine, especially for us women. But with so many options out there, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of face moisturizers, exploring different formulas, ingredients, and benefits to help you discover the ultimate hydration hero for your skin. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. It's also fragrance-free. The formula includes ceramide and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to repair and hydrate your skin. They help to restore the skin's natural barrier. You'll feel the difference right away. The moisturizer soothes and calms your skin. It provides instant relief from dryness. This product keeps your skin hydrated all day long. It helps to maintain the skin's moisture balance. It leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. It is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. The absence of fragrance minimizes the risk of irritation. It's a great choice for daily use. What we like. This moisturizer is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide, perfect for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. If you have sensitive skin and need a daily moisturizer that soothes and hydrates, this is a great choice. What people say. It hydrates without being greasy, sticky, or tacky. It absorbs quickly and makes my skin feel smooth, hydrated and amazing. It seals everything in just as it should, leaving my skin feeling soft, moisturized and vibrant. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Retinol Face Cream. Introducing a powerful retinol cream. This anti-aging formula targets fine lines and wrinkles. It helps reveal a more youthful and radiant complexion. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, this moisturizer deeply hydrates. It supports skin elasticity, leaving your skin soft and supple. Use it nightly to restore and renew your skin. This night cream helps reduce signs of aging overnight. It improves texture and minimizes pores. This cream is formulated for face and neck. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, yet powerful enough to firm and tighten. It smooths wrinkles. LilyAna Naturals is committed to clean beauty. This retinol face moisturizer is made in the USA. It contains no harsh chemicals, just effective, plant-based ingredients. What we like. This cream features a powerful retinol formula, targeting fine lines and wrinkles. It also provides deep hydration with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. If you are looking for a night cream to reduce signs of aging while you sleep, this is the one for you. What people say. This moisturizer has a lightweight texture and absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. The product is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Number 3. Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion for Face. Introducing a lotion that provides instant and lasting hydration. It locks in moisture for a full 24 hours, protecting your skin from dryness throughout the day. This lotion is formulated with hyaluronic acid and powerful moisturizing agents. These ingredients work together to provide long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin feeling refreshed. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin. It's non-greasy and won't clog pores, making it perfect for daily use. This lotion is fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It's clinically tested to be gentle and non-irritating. Like all Cetaphil products, this lotion is designed to be effective yet gentle. You can trust it to care for your skin without causing irritation. This product comes in a convenient travel size. It's under 3.4 fluid ounces, making it easy to take with you on your next trip. What we like. This lotion offers 24-hour hydration, specifically designed for combination skin. It's fast-absorbing and non-greasy, so it won't clog your pores. If you have combination or sensitive skin and need a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer, you should consider this. What people say. The moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. It works well under makeup. Number 2. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Moisturizer. This moisturizer stands out because it has a high concentration of Snail mucin filtrate, 97.5%. This makes it more effective than other Snail creams. You will see the difference. We promise you'll begin to see healthier and more youthful skin within the first few days of use. This K-beauty product is designed to deliver noticeable results quickly. You will love it. This Korean skincare Snail mucin cream is ethically harvested in a cruelty-free environment. The snails live and move about in an organic fashion. It's a product you can feel good about using. Unlike other Snail mucin products, this formula contains 72% organic and 97% naturally derived content. It also includes shea butter, organic aloe, jojoba, and vitamin E. These ingredients work together for effective results. This Snail cream is non-comedogenic, so you don't need to worry about clogged pores. It's packed with super nutrients that are guaranteed to provide you with that youthful, glass skin complexion. Try it today. What we like. This moisturizer contains a high concentration of Snail mucin, known for its anti-aging properties. It is ethically harvested in a cruelty-free environment. If you like Korean skincare and want a product that promotes a youthful complexion, then this is perfect for you. What people say. The moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. It works well under makeup. Number 1. E.L.F. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This award-winning facial moisturizer provides a powerful boost of hydration. It's packed with skin-loving ingredients that even out skin tone and replenish lost moisture, leaving your skin firm and bouncy. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalane, and vitamin B5. They work together to moisturize, minimize pores, improve elasticity, and soothe your skin. This product is suitable for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin types. It's designed to work for a wide range of skin needs. It's great for both daytime and nighttime use. The non-greasy formula quickly absorbs into the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and super soft. E.L.F. is proud to be vegan and cruelty-free, certified by Leaping Bunny and PETA. You can feel good about using it. What we like. This face cream is packed with hyaluronic acid, nourishing and plumping the skin. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. If you like a moisturizer that provides a powerful boost of hydration and leaves your skin feeling smooth and soft, you should try this one. What people say. The moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. It works well under makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.